What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I am back in Dollery, and once again, we have brand new items. We have these super cute little tins that say give thanks. We also have this one that says farm fresh pumpkins. We have a really super cute fox. I don't usually buy little decorative animals and things, but I've kind of been loving little foxies lately. So he might come home with me, I don't know. And then we also have always be thankful. These are brand new this week, the little acorns. But guess what? We also have these ones. These are actually pine cones. Pine cones, silver pine cones, silver acorns, orange pine cones. We have golden pumpkins. And then we have a variety of owls from last week. And then also last week I showed these cement pumpkins that are also really cute. Here's more of the foxies. They're all the same. And then we have some pumpkins right there. But the bins are super cute, you guys, aren't they? Last week down here we had the humongous containers of soft soap. That was such a great deal. I'm really glad I got those. I'm gonna get these little party bins. You guys know I love pink. I'm gonna get these party bins. I was lucky enough around 4th of July to get one party bin, but I really love this size, so I'm actually gonna get 4 today. These look like they're brand new also. We have cute little magnets. Super cute. And we have even more up here. Even more. I'm really glad I got the glitter glue when I saw it because it goes for about $4 everywhere else or more. The green Elmer's glitter glue. I made slime with it for TikTok and it was perfect. I also got the ultraviolet yellow Elmer's color changing glue, and that also worked really, really well. Oh, look at the Gator. Trace and Write activity book. These are by Scholastic. Nice. We have even more down there by Scholastic. Aren't these cute? Aw, so cute. Every week, check over here in the back to school section because they do add a little more every week, like just a few more new items. Like these are brand new. The couture highlighters are brand new. We have the big pack of highlighters, the big pack of dry erase pens. I'm not seeing them anymore, but a couple of you told me that the pencil sharpeners are amazing. The little battery operated pencil sharpeners. And I saw someone on TikTok demonstrate it and it did not eat her pencil. It sharpened it really well. And she compared it to a $12 pencil sharpener that she had. And she said that it was better than that one. So I'm not seeing them anymore in here, but if you guys see them anywhere in your stores, definitely grab one for $1. Ooh, look at all the Sharpies. Sharpie's Fine and the low odor ink Expos. These are the intense colors. They're really bright and nice. Yeah, that little bin I showed you, I set it up nice and neat and someone already grabbed it. That's how it is a lot of times when I film, you guys. People come over and, you know, it brings attention to the new items. That's why sometimes I have to whisper when I see something really exciting, because sometimes I want to have that moment to be able to film it. without people just like coming over and being like right where I am and taking everything that I'm showing you guys. Wow, this location always has so many beads, sequins, all of the fun stuff to put in slime. We have glitter. Oh, I think Gator wanted, he probably wants more of these. And he said he wanted some clay.
Second cashier, please.
We have the individual glitters here. The tacky glue. Gator loves this. That's 3 ounces. I let him have some Elmer's glue and he said that was working fine, and it's actually a bigger bottle too. Oh, let's just go back here for a minute and see if I missed anything. Did I miss anything new? I think these might be new. These right here. Oh, let's see if I can find that clay. The modeling clay. Jumbo on the go adventure color forms. We can't always find the clay. Sometimes it's sold out. I don't know if I'm gonna have any luck today. Nope, I don't see it. Hi. Let's look down this aisle. Okay. No luck down this aisle either. No. Well, maybe I can find it at another location. These are cute. There's some kids outside of Dollar Tree and they're playing the violin, the electric violin, plugged in with an amp, and they're playing TikTok songs and, well, songs that are really popular on TikTok. And they sound really good. They're probably like 14 years old. It might just be one brother. Their sign said that they were brothers. Aw. Cook, eat, and be happy. Forks to be reckoned with. Love cooking and roll with it. Let's see if we have any new drinks. Powerades, of course. Diet Coke. The adrenaline shock. The hydros are still here. The big cans of Coke. Those are 16 ounces each. Life Waters. Let's go ahead and end here in the cooler section, the freezer section, the refrigerated section, whatever you want to call it. I don't know. The frozen food section. I'm just looking for new stuff. Holding my bins. They're a little awkward. A little heavy. Not heavy, but you know what I mean. I'm not really seeing anything new. Don't forget, you guys, Dollar Tree has ice. $1 a bag if you need it. Ice cream. Of course, the best ever. Ice pops. I love those so much. I think I'm gonna get out of here, you guys. I had fun looking around, but there's not a whole lot new for the week, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and head to another location. But yeah, you guys, thank you so much for joining me here in Dollar Tree. I love shopping with you guys. Let me know what you want to see next time I bring you into Dollar Tree, because I'm here to show you guys whatever you want to see. Anyways, you guys, I'm out of here. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.